Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door switch assembly in a Samsung washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips and a flat blade screwdrivers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door switch assembly. The door switch assembly latches and locks the door and communicates its status to the main control board. If the washer door won't latch or lock, check the door switch assembly and replace it, if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the door. Alright, now I'm going to remove this spring that holds the outer boot. I'm going to peel this a little bit up and using a flat blade screwdriver, I'm going to pry this clamp off. Next, I'm going to remove this door boot seal off the lip of the front panel. Pull it off. Alright, about halfway so we can reach inside. I'm taking out 3 screws that holds the door switch assembly. And it's a Phillips screwdriver I'm using. And I'm going to reach in and I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to take out the screw so it won't go anywhere. Alright, and I'm going to remove this backsplash cover. I'm going to first take out the harness using a flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to open it. So, okay. And give us flexibility here. So we need to open one, and there's 2 tabs here. And 3 here. Put it down. Now we can disconnect the plugs. That's pushing in the locking tab and pulling it out. May not be easy. I'm going to use the flat blade screwdriver to assist. And then we have 2 more. Okay, this is the old door switch assembly next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. All right, now we have here a new door switch assembly and we're going to plug it in. Turn it around. I'm going to start with this plug. I'm going to push it in. All right, and then the next one, turn it around. And the large one. Right, so I'm gonna place the cover on. On this purpose, we're going to turn it this way. Now we can press it in. There are tabs 1, 2, and 3 that's going to be locked. And turn it in, and we're going to place the harness under the tab here. Push it in. We're going to align this. This has to come out through this opening. And the button comes up here on the top. Next would be installing these screws. I'm going to use a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to tighten that screw on the top. I'm supporting that switch from inside, and we're going to install 2 more. All right, so we're going to put this seal over this front lip, peel it, and place it over the edge. You gotta be sure that it's going in correctly. Take your time. This is very important. All right, next we're going to put this retainer spring. If you remember, that actual spring was here at about 9 o'clock. I'm going to place this clamp into the groove on the top and on the side. And I'm going to slide this flathead screwdriver in here. That's about between 5 and 6 o'clock. Then I'm going to grab that spring here and pull down on it hard. And we're going to install that clamp into the groove. Make sure it's in properly, and then you can pull on the seal hard. All right, pass the test, so we can close the door. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.